I've been waiting all this time. Say you miss me, now you want me. Taken back into your life. Are you looking for a therapist? Are you looking for a friend? What kind of situation do you think we're in? You could've had me at 100%. I was in it. I give me everything when I'm all in. We could've been it. Just leave the past in the past, baby, it's cool, yeah, everything's forgiven. You could've had me at 100%, but you didn't. I actually laughed out loud, but what a surprise. I still remember all the ways that you let me down. Cause I don't wanna be a therapist,